So hello again, this is another video from this sequence on the flat tire and how to change the tire, and also the inside inner tube. The name it's the inner tube. So I decided to mount a new tire and the new inner tube. This one has these rubber pads, much bigger than the tire that I had, the flat. So I decided to put the new tire, and while assembling it, I found out that the best method is to place the inner tube inside the tire and inflate it a little bit, just enough so it gets the shape. And there's the hole. This is the hole for the valve. So, and I found out that this way it's easier and simple. It's more simple to put the valve in the correct alignment and mount the tube. It's mount the tire and the inner tube. So this is just a minor update. I will keep on assembling the tire and I will come back to you. So see you.